Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Mastery. I'm Sarah, and this is day 2 of our 30-day shadowing challenge. Yesterday, we learned what shadowing is, why it works, and we did our very first practice together. If you missed day 1, go back and watch it. It'll only take a few minutes, and it sets up everything we're doing today. Today, we're going to talk about something really special, the rhythm of English. And I promise, once you understand this, you will never listen to English the same way again. What is rhythm in English? Here's a secret most learners don't know. English is not a flat, robotic language where every word sounds the same. It has music in it. Some words are stressed, some words are quiet, some syllables are long, some are short. This pattern is called rhythm. And it's actually one of the biggest reasons non-native speakers sound different from native speakers, even when their grammar is perfect. Let me give you an example. Listen to this sentence. I want to go to the store. Notice how want, go, and store are a little stronger, a little louder, and words like to and the almost disappear. That's English rhythm. It's not about saying every word the same way. It's about some words standing out and others fading into the background. Why is English rhythm different? This is very different from many other languages, where every syllable gets roughly equal time and equal stress. Linguists call English a stress-timed language. That means the rhythm is built around the stressed words, and everything else gets squeezed in between quickly. Other languages, like Spanish, French, or Urdu, are often more syllable-timed, meaning each syllable gets about the same amount of time. So when native speakers of those languages try to speak English, they sometimes give equal weight to every word, and it can sound a little flat or mechanical to native English ears. That's exactly why rhythm can feel strange at first for English learners. It's not that you're doing something wrong. It's just a completely different musical pattern than what you're used to. How shadowing fixes this. But don't worry, this is exactly what shadowing helps you fix. Because when you shadow, you're not just copying words. You're copying the music, the ups and downs, the stress pattern of the sentence. Your brain starts to naturally absorb which words are usually stressed, like nouns, main verbs, and important adjectives, and which words usually get quiet, like a, the, to, of, is. You don't need to memorize grammar rules about this. You just need to hear it enough times, and your ear and mouth will start doing it automatically. Let's practice. Round 1. Okay, let's practice. I'll say a sentence with the rhythm exaggerated a little so you can really hear it. Repeat after me. I really want to learn English. I really want to learn English. Good. Now this one. She's going to the market. She's going to the market. One more. We are practicing every single day. We are practicing every single day. Beautiful. Did you notice how certain words popped out more than others? That's exactly what we want. Let's practice. Round 2. Slightly longer sentences. Now, let's try a few slightly longer sentences. Remember, don't try to say every word the same. Let the important words shine and let the small words disappear a little. I have been learning English for 2 years. I have been learning English for 2 years. My friend and I are going to the cinema tonight. My friend and I are going to the cinema tonight. Can you help me understand this better? Can you help me understand this better? Great job. You're already starting to feel the rhythm. This might feel a little strange, and that's completely normal. Remember what we said on day 1? Awkward means it's working. A simple trick, clapping the rhythm. Here's a fun trick that can help you outside of these videos. Try clapping only on the stressed words in a sentence. Let's try it together. I want to go to the store. Clap on want, clap on go, clap on store. The other words just flow quickly in between the claps. This is a technique many teachers use, and it physically trains your body to feel the beat of English, almost like learning to dance to a new song. Common mistake to avoid. One common mistake learners make is trying to pronounce every single word perfectly and clearly, with equal importance. This actually makes English sound less natural, not more. Native speakers often blend, shorten, or almost skip small words. For example, going to often sounds like gonna in casual speech. Want to often sounds like wanna. This isn't lazy speaking, it's just natural rhythm and flow. We're not going to focus on slang forms like this today, but I want you to know they exist, so when you hear them in movies or conversations, you're not confused. They come from the natural rhythm we're talking about. Let's practice. Round 3, putting it all together. Let's do one final practice round a little faster this time, closer to natural speaking speed. I'm trying my best to understand everything. I'm trying my best to understand everything. She said she would call me later tonight. She said she would call me later tonight. Let's meet at the coffee shop after work. Let's meet at the coffee shop after work. Wonderful work. You just practiced real rhythm, real flow, exactly the way native speakers actually talk. Quick recap. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. 1. English is a stress-timed language, meaning some words are strong and clear, while others are quick and quiet. 2. This rhythm is different from many other languages, and that's completely normal, not a mistake. 3. Shadowing helps your ear and mouth naturally absorb this rhythm over time without memorizing complicated rules. 4. You can even practice by clapping on the stressed words to physically feel the beat of English. Homework. So here's your homework for today. Whenever you hear English, in movies, videos, songs, try to notice which words are stressed and which ones are quiet. You don't need to analyze every sentence. Just let your ears start noticing the pattern. Your brain is training even when you're not actively speaking. That's it for day 2 of Easy English Mastery. Tomorrow, we're going to combine rhythm with real conversations so you can start sounding smoother and more natural in everyday situations. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, drop a comment telling me how the clapping exercise felt, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Keep practicing, keep speaking. See you soon.